Is cast iron worth it? Man, I had someone ask me that question the other day, and it kind of threw me for a loop. And is walking and exercise worth it? Is eating healthy worth it? There's so many things that you have to take into consideration of what you consider worth. Is cooking in Teflon, is it healthy? I don't think so. I know cast iron is. I know, I get a question a lot of times that, our comments, they say, well, you guys are always talking about how much you've got to season this and wash it this way and take care of it like this, and it's just so much trouble, so I'm just wondering, is it worth it? Well, that's kind of like eating healthy. Many of you know that in the past 6 or so months I had some issues and had to make some changes in my lifestyle and the way I was eating and cooking, what I was eating, and what I was cooking. And so I changed to not only keto, but I went full-blown carnivore there for the most part. Didn't do real good around these holidays, I'll be honest about that, but hey, and I got a birthday coming up this Saturday, so I'm going to be 62 years old. And so I had to make some lifestyle changes as far as cooking and eating. And so, for your health, is it worth it to change your lifestyle? The way you cook, the way you eat? Same way with cast iron. Is it worth it? Well, cast iron is about the only kind of cooking utensil that I know of that if it's taken care of well, it'll last you a lifetime, and it's something you can pass down to your family, your kids, and your grandkids even. I can't say that for, Teflon pans and stuff like that, so in that respect, it is worth it to me. I love how it sears the meat and stuff like that I eat on a carnivore diet. And, if you're cooking vegetables or whatever, how it does those as well. So, yeah, cast iron, it is worth it to me. Getting out here walking, it's a sacrifice. Is it worth it? I think so. I've lost 55 pounds so far, and so, I had to make some changes. And you might need to make some changes in your cast iron or in your cooking style of the equipment, utensils, and choices of what you cook in. Is it worth it? Yeah, I know it takes a little bit of effort. You got to wash and clean it up and dry it, keep it from rusting. You got to add a little oil to it, a little maintenance oil, keep rust from forming. But is it worth it? Yeah, I think so. When you initially clean them up and get them seasoned and everything, they're pretty easy to maintain, really. I know a lot of people make it harder than it actually is, and it doesn't have to be that way. So, for what it's worth, I really believe that cast iron is worth it, worth the effort, worth the time, that you have to put in to use it. So anyway, is walking and exercise worth it? For your health? There's a lot of benefits to that. You get, your digestive is better when you walk and exercise. You don't have to do it extreme. Same way with cast iron. You don't have to be extreme about it. I walk anywhere from 10 minutes to 20, 30, sometimes an hour, 2 or 3 or 4 times a week. You don't have to do it 7 days a week unless you want to. You certainly can. Same way with cast iron. You don't have to cook in cast iron 7 days a week unless you want to. I do. I use it every day. And so it's really not a problem for me So for me, it's worth it. So, you know, your exercise and your health, your eating, is your health worth it? You know, as you get older, it is. I mean, it is even younger, and we should have taken care of it a lot better than we did. I know I should have. But here I am, will be 62 this Saturday. Lord willing, we make it to Saturday. But, you know, getting out here and walking and exercising, breathing, you know, it helps my digestive, it helps my lungs, helps my blood flow, you know, it helps my joints, limbers me up, keeps me flexible, and so, you know, all three of those are very worth it to me, and I'm going to keep on doing that, and I hope you do too. Is cast iron worth it? Was the question that was asked. I really believe so. You guys leave me a comment. Let me know if you think cast iron's worth it or if it's just too much trouble.